Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to 10th grade coordinate geometry. Let's read the problem. Find the coordinates of the point C which lies on the line AB produced such that AC equals to 2BC where coordinates of point A and B are given as -1, 7 and 4, -3 respectively. Find the coordinates of point C which lies on the line AB produced. That is important. We have to understand that. What is the meaning of that? Line AB produced. So we have AB and AB is produced to point C such that AC equals to 2BC. Now let us say BC is X, then AC will be equals to 2X. BC will be equals to X. So let's write down BC is X and AC is 2X. From that we know that AB is also equal to X. Now we have been given the coordinates of A. A is -1, 7 and the coordinates of B are 4, -3. C coordinates we have to find out. Let us say that is x, y. Now from this particular diagram we can see very clearly that B is dividing AC in the ratio 1:1. Can we write down AB by BC is equal to 1, x by x, that's equals to 1. So that tells us that B is midpoint of AC. Now we can apply the midpoint formula and we can first let's find out what is midpoint of AC. B is midpoint of AC, so 4, -3 equals to midpoint of AC x1 plus x2 by 2, that is x minus 1 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, that is y plus 7 divided by 2. Now let us equate them. We will get x minus 1 by 2 equals to 4, y plus 7 by 2 equals to -3. Let us simplify that. We will have x minus 1 equals to 8 or x equals to 9. Y plus 7 equals to -6 or y equals to -13. So the coordinates of C are 9, -13. Let's have a recap of this problem. Now this problem can be solved by taking that C is dividing AB externally, but in CBSE NCERT syllabus we don't have the external division. Now C is dividing AB externally, then we can clearly see that B is dividing AC internally. Since internally is the only formula available to us in the syllabus, we have to change this problem to internally. So B divides AC internally. Here fortunately it is 1:1 ratio, so we can easily apply the midpoint formula. We can say that B is midpoint of AC. We know the coordinates of A. We know the coordinates of B. Coordinates of C, what we have to find out, take them as x, y. Apply the midpoint formula, equate that values to coordinates of B. We will get x equals to 9 and y equals to -13. That means the coordinates of C are 9, -13. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please go through the playlist. There are more than 1900 videos for 10th grade, 11th grade and 12th grade. Mostly we have calculus completely covered, trigonometry completely covered, coordinate geometry completely covered. All these problems were solved a lot of years back. This channel is existing for more than 13 years, so you have a lot of information available. If you find it useful, please share it with your friends also. Thank you.